with the viewers of the tube. Tyler here, Chico Crypto, coming to you guys live. Oh yeah, baby. With a very exciting live stream, I've spotted an undervalued altcoin. Yes, we have. And it would make sense because we still are in alt season. You click on 24-hour gains, even hour gains. There's more cryptos, XRP. But 24 hours, that's how you tell. We have a lot of coins that are still above Bitcoin. A good number. About half of them on page 1. So that to me signals, yeah, alt season's still here, especially that we're touching that 60K. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Oh, I gotta fix that. Thank you. I just re-added my mic, so I gotta fix that really quick. Should be fixed now. There you guys go. Sorry about that. But yeah, I got an excellent live stream for you guys. So I'm sure all you guys are like, what's altcoin? What's altcoin? What's altcoin? Well, the altcoin is Vesper Finance. So yeah, it was ranked at about 400. I bought, I do have people that track my wallets. They tracked it and now it started moving. Equivocal Systems, thank you so much for your tip. Shut up and take my money. I know the Futurama reference, my friend. So yeah, Vesper, why is this undervalued? It has, a medium, mid-level market cap. 80 million on page 4. Page 4 used to be small cap, but now, it's about medium because $80 million is still a significant amount of money. $11 million worth of trading volume. Past 14 days we pushed up to 50, but we have settled down with it. That's just, some of the price things, but I see the value in this one because there is a lot of value in it locked up. Hey, Developer One, hear about the Coinbase listing being moved to next month. Yeah, I did see some of that, but I can't confirm it 100%. We'll talk a little bit about that. I appreciate the tip, man. So why is this important? Vesper. So it is a DeFi ecosystem and growth engine. It is a meta aggregator for DeFi ecosystems to earn yield on some of your assets. They have some pretty good pools. The VSP base, which is earning over 22%. A few other ones, USDC, WTC, and ETH. But why is this important is TV frickin' L, you guys. So total value locked up in Vesper has crossed $750 million. So I just see an imbalance, $80 million market cap, 750 million locked up. Oh yeah. And that's just recently started. So the TVL started growing, the green line, as well as the price. They started tracking each other. But here recently, the TVL has kept growing while the price has gone down. So there is, an imbalance. I see it. And, in my personal opinion, Vesper will more than likely push up into probably the top 200, between 200 to 300 in due time, just based off of TVL. People are putting their assets into the protocol. Hey, Wompster! Womp is back. Hey, Womp is back. The bulls are back in town. Womp is back in town. I appreciate it, man. $150. You the man. Yes, I have heard of Scale. Appreciate the tip, Barge D, but I do take altcoin questions at the very end. Ooh, Deck Wreck. Can't wait to unlock the Philosopher's Stone, bro. Me either. So yeah, TVL, with Vesper is insane, but it's not only based on TVL. There can be projects, that get a lot locked up and they're not necessarily fundamentally the strongest. But Vesper is fundamentally strong. I said this is a meta aggregator, unlike yield aggregators, you know, where you're putting it into one protocol. They're putting it into multiple ones, meta aggregating your assets, and then putting them into different markets for you. Such as some of these yield aggregators, such as credit markets. So it is a meta aggregator. And Lewis Harland, he said it's entirely conceivable that a large portion of inflows into DeFi protocols come from meta aggregators rather than users contributing resources directly to the underlying pools. Because it just makes it simple. You know, this is the DeFi aggregation, yield aggregation tool that does it all for you. You don't have to go find the one that has the best APYs, the best returns. This does it for you. So yeah, fundamentally it looks strong. You know, aggregation tool is much needed in the space, but one of the reasons I see it, you know, pushing up to, you know, maybe top 200 cryptocurrencies, top 300, is Jeff Garzik is behind this. It's in his Twitter profile, Vesper Fi right there. And if you don't know who Jeff Garzik is, you should know. He has early Bitcoin core dev right there. And yes, he was one of the core devs, early one from 2015 and before, 2010 probably to 2015. And yeah, along some of the big dogs, Gavin Andreessen, Laszlo, Satoshi, Matt Corallo, Vladimir, Marco Folke, lots of big dogs. And he, you know, of course, was a Bitcoin maximalist, but he has seen the light and he has seen the value in DeFi. And I respect Jeff as a developer because he likes to put out tools, you know, that is going to help the space and not necessarily just make him money. You know, Vesper Fi, yeah, he is behind it, but he is also putting out some of the tools that they are using and creating and putting them out open source for everyone to use. And he did this through pure finance, as we can see, Merkle claims, Sadelier claims, and token approvals, sponsored by Vesper. But this was through Jeff Garzik. And this isn't the only time Jeff does this kind of stuff. Jeff is an awesome dude. Early Bitcoin days and development days, he's, you know, one of the reasons it's where it is, because he gave away 15,678 Bitcoin 7 years ago. How much is that today? I'm sure this is like, Jeff is like, damn it. But 15,678 BTC is almost $1 billion, you guys, so I respect Jeff and I respect any project he's behind. And when I, you know, made those connections, I was like, oh yeah, TVL's extremely large, Jeff Garzik's behind it. Yeah, undervalued. If it's, you know, on page 4, page 3 even, undervalued. Hey, Armin Bunyatin. Thanks for everything, brother. What's a reliable stablecoin when it's time to pull out before the crash? What exchange to use? I don't use exchanges. I'm a DeFi user. And I would spread out stablecoin risk if you're going to go into stablecoins. So different ones, USDC. I wouldn't recommend Tether, DAI. A few other ones out there. So, yeah, Vesper Finance. I mean, just look at TVL, look who's behind the project, and look exactly fundamentally what it's trying to do. And you will understand that it is pretty undervalued. But I want to get into another altcoin that I covered yesterday, and this one, in my opinion, is undervalued too, with some of the crap NFT projects that are higher than it. Alchemist, and Alchemist.farm updated to the more recent UI, which is going to be, you know, the live UI that, you know, when you click on CoinGecko, you go to. So you can mint and also check out your crucibles as of right now at Alchemist.farm. But again, this is a user-developed server and everything. I would wait until it's out announced from the team. Personally, I'm doing that myself. Hey, Doobie Cook, thanks for the check 500, man. You're awesome. I appreciate that. You are the man, and I hope you smoke a doobie for giving me the money to get a lot of doobies. But regarding Alchemist, why do I see it, being where undervalued as well, is of course it is doing something that no one else is doing in the space. They're taking, like I showed yesterday, ample force Geyser V2 contracts and creating, the next version of DeFi and NFTs, transferable stakes, multiple LP reward programs through the NFT. And if you look at the max total supply, there's just over 1 million Alchemist, so at the current price, I think it's around $50. That's, $50 million market cap. And that puts it on page 4, you guys. And if you just go through, I mean, yeah, there is some crap on here that is worth more than Alchemist, even on page 3 and page 2. Things will work out in time, and Alchemist will be moving up, especially with some of the players they have behind it. Xerox Mackey is multi-sig holder, Ghost Up, multi-sig holder, Brandon Illis, Ample Force, multi-sig holder. It's, a lot of big players behind this because it is a big experiment that could have major implications for the entire space. Eco Lomo, have I checked out Parasic? No, I have not. And I take altcoin questions at the very end of the stream, you guys. So if you want to tip me, check out an altcoin, very end. Thaddeus Lund, thoughts on XOR for this year? Again, I take altcoin questions at the very end of the stream. I hold my XOR and I'm bullish on it. Up for. But another lower cap, one I see as undervalued is index.finance, and I covered this one a while ago, and this is probably one of the lower ones. It's on page 5, and it's $43 million market cap, but this one's up 25%, and the reason, I do see the value in this is because, of course, DeFi Pulse is collaborating with them to create some of these index products. But the products have increased since the DPI, the DeFi Pulse Index. They now have the CoinShares Crypto Gold Index. They have the Index Coop token, of course, their token. And they have the ETH2X Flexible Leverage Index. And they're only going to grow with time, the number of indexes, so. Hey, Daniel G, what are my thoughts on Bakkt and their stock? Valued like $3 billion compared to Coinbase $100 billion. I've made many videos on Bakkt. I don't like Bakkt. I don't like Coinbase. I talk about it just because it's news. Karam Sharma, hey, thanks for the 20. I don't know what currency that is, but thank you, man. Appreciate it. But talking about Coinbase, so some interesting things in the space that Chico needs to talk about, besides, just altcoins. Coinbase has just been fined $6.5 million over trading irregularities. And it was interesting. There were rumors that their direct listing has been pushed back to April because of this, but this is BNN Bloomberg.ca. This isn't Bloomberg. I tried to find Bloomberg's article on this. I don't know. It's not confirmed yet. So, from what I can see, they're still in March, but it may be pushed back to April. But this is interesting because they are finding them over using botting that was trading against itself on the exchange and also wash trading. And why is this interesting to me? Because Binance. This is basically, in my opinion, a warning to Binance. They hit, the cleanest exchange out there. Coinbase, They aren't clean, but they are the cleanest, They hit the cleanest. They're basically saying, Binance, you pay up or we are going to ram you up the bunghole so freaking hard you don't even know. CZ, he may think he is like Arthur Hayes, and think he's larger than life. That's what Arthur Hayes thought, and ended up getting rammed up to bungholio. So I have a feeling this is just them, giving a little, hey, yeah, You think you can run and hide? We're gonna smack you so hard you don't even know. I don't think it's much, to do with Coinbase, really. Yeah, they had this information and they could have hit them. They hit them because it's a bigger reason to hit. It's basically a warning. But regarding Coinbase and altcoins, let's get back into those altcoins. So there was some interesting stuff that came for Luxo. So Luxo, of course, is coming out with their mainnet here soon, which is an interesting combination of, EVM and ETH 2.0. But within some of the code, especially the Vanguard consensus engine, there was a merge thing within it where the Pandora client service was implemented in the validator client. And as you can see, Coinbase, Coinbase, Coinbase. I mean, 19 times it's mentioned in this code. I don't know. Why would they need Coinbase stuff if they weren't going on Coinbase? And it's not Rosetta. I looked into that. Something is all I gotta say. Hey, Scotty P Crypto. So I met this chick Kennedy last night and said, I've heard of you. Thanks for what you do for the space, brother. That's awesome, Scotty. I hope you did meet a girl Kennedy, too. General Collins, what's up, man? Thanks for the $5 tip. I'm not going to tell you anything about Tower because that's an altcoin question. Thank you for the tip, though. What do you think about covenants? Covenants? If it's an altcoin, I don't know, man. Take altcoin questions very end of the stream, guys. Great job, Chico. What do I think about Delta Finance? It gathered over 17K Ethereum. You guys, I take questions for altcoins after the stream. I know some of you just got in, but that's what happens. What do you think about Sailor's comments on Synthetics saying he's skeptical because of regulation? I'm skeptical too of regulation, of course. Regulators are gonna, have to come quick if they want to stop it. But regarding that Luxo stuff, was Coinbase just recently put out a blog yesterday regarding non-fungible tokens too, saying what are these? How do they work? What can you do with them? But regarding assets, so they put out a blog post, the most last one they put out regarding they're adding assets to their exchange. The first step, Coinbase custody, was October of last year. And there has been a few that have gotten added. Aave, Curve, a few other in here. I don't know exactly. New Cipher have gotten added to the exchange. But regarding this, I think within this list is, probably there's going to be some that are going to be added next too. And one I've been eyeing and has kind of went on a price run was Flexa, an AMP token. Basically, it's a collateral network to make seamless payments, and it's backed by Consensus and some big dogs, that have connections to Coinbase. And the reason I think it could be added here soon was because it got this through this step, Of course, they're eyeing it. In December, it got on Coinbase custody. And also, they don't tweet that often. AMP doesn't. The last time they tweeted was February 26th, almost a month ago. And a very interesting tweet. A Chainlink tweet. For Ethereum price feeds for their AMP USD. This means it's getting deployed across merchants, in my opinion. And I don't know. I'm not going to say Coinbase is involved because that's just pure speculation. But I know Coinbase wants to get in on the merchant side. Hey, Isam, no worries about tipping much, man. What do I think about UBX? I'm not going to, just because you said sorry, I'm not going to answer it. I'd take tips for altcoins after the stream, you guys. Luis Farfan. Bob, $10. Or Bob 10. Thank you so much, man. Corrupted BTC. Cheers, Chico. BTC, Ethereum, and altcoins. I see the value in all of them. I'm not a maximalist. Maximalism is a narrow view. Ethereum is dominating Bitcoin in the payment smart contract space. There's no ifs, ands, ors about that. Even Jeff Garzik sees it. I know you like corrupted. I know you like Bitcoin, but you gotta open your mind a little. But regarding some of these assets, there are ERC20 tokens that could be added because Coinbase is ready to host ERC20s, right out the gate. So Anchor, Barnbridge, I don't know if Bitcoin's in ERC20, but the ERC20 they're ready. But if you want to know a good place to look, if you're not necessarily ERC20 or you have your own blockchain, was Coinbase's most recent Rosetta post, which came out in December 18th, around the same time they added AMP to Coinbase custody. They basically said the blockchains that are ready for Rosetta. And these are the ones that would be added to Coinbase because they need to be, if they're an alternate blockchain, they need to be Rosetta ready to be added to the Coinbase exchange. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Definity, Cardano, Filecoin, Cello, Mina, Near, Neo, Tron, Handshake, Oasis, Cosmos, Decred, Topology, Saya, Zlika, Digibyte, Harmony, Cadena, Nervous, Blockstack, Harmony, Ava, Waves, IOTX, VeChain, Syscoin, Horizon, and Elrond. So one of these on here, or some of these in here, are more than likely going to be the next coins added to Coinbase. And also this Luxo stuff, because Coinbase doesn't necessarily always add a coin that's, on their list. They sometimes pull ones right out of left field. But regarding their last edition, Cardano, it's not fully decentralized yet. That goes against, Coinbase's road, why we add coins. It has to be decentralized. Well, Cardano still relies on the central clock. And they don't even have developer tools right now working. This has been going on for like 3 weeks, a month. Their most simple developer tool, the Hello World program, how to code it, it's broken. And people have been asking for it to be fixed for some time, and no one's fixing it. This is a developer, what he said. I was actually talking about this with my friend. What I'm very much praying for is a shift of resources or an expansion. Right now, I think Charles just really focused on finishing, some upgrades. Stupid. Before work on Basho begins. I'm really hoping he shifts gear to fostering the developer environment. Yeah. Right now, I'm in a channel with some node operators, and we are begging for some kind of script unit test that tests the numerous keys we keep as operators, make sure they pass the network hashing protocol so we can successfully mint blocks. Because blah, blah, he's just complaining, and they're not giving him to the stuff, you guys. And this is a developer, so it's not necessarily Coinbase is, going to add a coin just because it's the most decentralized or one that should be added. A lot of politics come into play with Coinbase editions, and I'm sure you guys know that. But, development, if you don't have these tools built, you guys, you don't even have the Hello World ready for, beginning developers to begin, starting to code with yours, you're not going to see growth like this. Cardano won't. It's just plain and simple. They're Haskell. They're trying to get, Solidity to work, blah, 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 because if they don't, they'll be dead in the water. Just don't even fall for it, in my opinion. Stick with what is growing. Now we're to the altcoin questions. That is it for Chico's content. A little, Ethereum love, Cardano, for the end, but now we're to those altcoin questions, my friends. Tyler, so grateful for your channel integrity. You're so much appreciated. You're appreciated too, man. I appreciate your tip, eFoil SoCal. Maker is undervalued. Yeah, Maker, if DAI, fulfills its destiny as a future dollar, then Maker is 100% undervalued. Gareth Sutherland, Bow Chicka Wow Wow, fire sale. Yeah, it's $40-50 million market cap. I like where it's at right now. Armin, shout out to my daughter Isabella and Victoria for being crypto enthusiasts at 10 and 6 years old. Shout out to Isabella and Victoria. You guys are doing great. Heck yeah. I'm not a full-blown maximalist these days. Oh. I 100% believe there will be several winners, but I don't need to chase others. I truly wish everyone finds their own moon. I'm happy with BTC and a small amount of ETH and Theta. Yeah, I mean, Ethereum is a must in everyone's portfolio. Bitcoin's never going to catch up to Ethereum and smart contracts. Most platforms aren't. But yeah, ETH is, if you don't have ETH, what are you doing? Do you think, Matt MC, and I appreciate the tip, Corrupted. Matt MC, do you think in this particular bull run where the most of money comes from institutions into BTC and not alts, well, that's a false narrative, actually. I actually covered that recently. The amount of institutional money is actually really similar to what was coming in back then, even in 2017. It's just more public now. I mean, most of this volume is Tether, you guys. It's not institution. Institutions can't play with Tether. They play with, if they're going to play with the stablecoin, especially in the US, they have to play with USDC. And probably the government prefers fiat. Do you think the Coinbase effect is still a thing? Of course. Did you see what happened to Cardano? Yes, it is. 100% a thing. Hey, Chico, the thing to know about VCP is the inflation rate is too high. To counteract, add your VCP tokens into the VCP rewards pool. Oh, thanks for the tip, Kieran. I'm sure all new people interested appreciate that. What do I think about social tokens like Whale? I was interested in Whale. I like the concept of a, you know, basically an index fund of NFT art assets that you don't have to do the research into, and you know, the experts do for you. So it interested me. Hey, Rosenmont, greetings from Sac, California. What's up? Can I take a look at EMTRG meter, backed by Pantera and partnered with some big projects? Very low market cap, layer 2 with inflation resistant stable. I actually already looked at that one. I covered it in the Reddit scaling bake off. It looked a tad bit interesting. Yeah. I remember this one. Yeah, backed by electricity. Polka Foundry, do you own Thoughts? Probably not, never heard of it, and it's one of those projects just trying to take the Polka name. Not a big fan of that. And it's not on here, so. Look at that. Polka Starter, Polka Bridge, Polka Base, Polka Zec, Polka Cover. Polka. What do I think about Statera's new dashboard? It looks like the project is reviving and ready to moon. I haven't seen it, so I can't. I did a sponsored content for Statera, so, Yo, check out Auction. Huge backers. Aave SNX Compound. Auction. Bounce by remount. Yeah, not a bad dashboard. Nicer. Definitely. What do I think about Audius? Now I'm moving efficient. Audius, it's looked at by Coinbase. I remember seeing that. High market cap though. They're trying to do something with music. I know that. Oh, Balance's site's not working. That's no good. Yeah, they're being looked at by, they got big players, so. Interesting. I don't hold any. Thoughts on stake now that Vitalik on the Tim Ferriss show says significant scaling coming in the next couple months? Watch my videos, Kirk. God dang it, guys. I talked about that. I literally did a video on Tim Ferriss and him on there. Scaling is only coming in roll-ups and not in what you think a full scaling solution. I've talked about this about 1,000,000 times. EA, hey Chico, what are your thoughts on Kylan Network? They aim to be an oracle that also brings on-chain data off-chain like GRT and some of Ocean. I haven't looked into Kylan. It's a Polka project, I know that, but I haven't looked into it, so can't really say. I've picked my Polka projects. I mean, I'm sure I'm not picking all the ones that are gonna make it, but I have my picks. My thoughts on Kudos, altcoin that has a cloud computing deal with AMD leaders and had meetings at AMD Canadian headquarters and has ex-Sony advisor. I don't care about anything like that, you guys. Like, this just reminds me, oh, Sony X advisor, blah, blah, blah. Don't care. That just reminds me of 2017 baloney. What does it do? Layer 2 Oracle, DeFi, scientific. This sounds like fucking baloney. Yeah, they're not gonna beat Chainlink. Get out of here. I hate the Oracle stuff. Like, you're not gonna be Stinky Link. DAO, Chica DAO. Are you holding DAO, Chico? I'm gonna create a DAO, but not DAO token, DAO maker. No, I'm not holding it. Nice. 150 million, 70 million. See, this one. This is good, you know, for DAO Maker. They have, you know, 117. They have about $200 million locked up in their stuff, you guys. DAO Maker has a $152 million market cap. Vesper has 3 times the TVL of DAO Maker. And lower market cap. There's imbalances in these markets right now. My thoughts on Etherverse. No thoughts per se. And I forgot to do something. Yeah. Etherverse. Never heard of it, so no idea. Not gonna do well, you guys. I mean, if you're trying to do like virtual worlds, you're gonna get I mean, I'm a VR guy. I know VR. And if you're just trying to do a 2D virtual world, you're already getting smoked by Decentraland. And I'm VR guy. I know if there's a virtual world that's gonna make it being built in VR, Etherverse ain't jack McSquooty. Booty. I'll tell you that. In VR. I would have heard of it. Jace Maniapidali. Hey dude, a friend just showed me ripping. You guys. Hey, how do you feel about LCX today? Thanks, developer. Crypto lover, visor. No, it's not. You're stupid. It's a crap fork that's going to have to wait for Alchemist to code. It's just a stupid team. Actually, probably some stupid scam boys, I would say, that don't know how to code, just forking something and saying they're going to fork and trying to get money. Ryan Christensen, thoughts on Area 20. Fabian Volkosteller from Lucas Luxo is an advisor. Thanks for all you do. I don't care about, advisors connected to projects, you guys. Again, even if it's a project I like Luxo. Just because Fabian Volkosteller is, what does this do? Fundamentals. I mean, it's important, But if that's like the first thing that's shilled to me by a project, oh, it's because we have this, connection to this guy. No, what does it do first? I mean, it could be big, I don't know, but again, tell me what it does first before trying to shill on who's connected to it. Because it just reminds me of 2017. That was all people were doing was, I'm connected to this, who cares what I do? No, it matters what you do. That's what matters most. Checked it out, Tony. Thank you. Milo Bud. Hey, Chico. Jeff Garzik is behind Space Chain, decentralized satellite network. What are my thoughts? Yeah, I know that. I haven't looked into it, so. Doesn't look. It looks. Yeah, it looks like they're probably just trying to deploy what they're doing. Thanks for the tip, Milo. Hey, Christian S. Hey, man, thanks for all your hard work. Centrifuge on its way to host a parachain loan offering on Polkadot. If this isn't huge news, I don't know what is. That's why I love Centrifuge, and I've covered it on multiple occasions, even though they don't have a token. Love Centrifuge. Hey, Chico, how are you doing? What are my thoughts on Terra Luna? I'm more bullish on other things that are part of the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm not a big fan of Cosmos. I'm more bullish on Polkadot stuff. Satoshi Nakamoto, love your research. What do I think of KYL? They say it's a link of Polkadot. No, Link is the link of Polkadot. Again, you're not going to get me to like oracles, you guys. Thanks for the tip, but it's a waste of your money because I'm just going to be like what I say every time. Scotty P. Crypto, think Coinbase is slow playing the listing announcement to give every project or group of projects a day in the spotlight? No, I mean, listings with Coinbase, when they do a sole listing, and they spread it out over a couple days, to make the run go, that is, Coinbase got some under the table deals to do that. When they do a batch of tokens together, that's, those tokens probably didn't give Coinbase much. Or anything. Coinbase, there's under the table deals going on for all exchange listings. If it's centralized, there is a deal that happens. Yeah, if the ones pay. Purple Ripple, I just checked out Meter probably 10 minutes ago. I appreciate your tip, but already checked it out. DGTX, thoughts? No thoughts because I haven't heard of it. Oh, Digitex? Yeah, I've heard Digitex crap. They failed on their exchange. Failed. Astro Life TN, ORN Orion, Liquidity Pool, Sex Index Aggregator, top 20 worth? I don't care about Binance, so you gotta know who you're watching. No, because you showed Binance as the first thing they're connected to. You should know who you're watching before you tip them. Yeah, I remember this too. And you click on their website and they show Binance right away. Oh no, that was a different one. But yeah, no, it might be great, but I don't really care about Binance stuff. But again, I think DEXs are the way to go. Of course, they're a sex DEX aggregator. How long is that going to be, valuable? Sexes I only see lasting, CEXs only lasting another 5 years at max. And there's already better DEX aggregators than Orion, you know. Bob Wald, thank you for being you. Thank you for the $70 tip, Bob Wald. Best crypto researcher out there. Feel like sharing a tiny bit with you. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Stellar Analytics, thanks for the $2 tip, man. Hi, Chico, have I checked out ERSDL? Yes, I got tipped so many times for that. Like Ave, but B2B lending. Extremely strong team. I have a great memory. One thing I didn't like about that, last time I got tipped about it, was the team looked shady as crap to me. I have great memory, so we'll just go check it out. Website's super basic, and then, yeah. Not like shady to me, but just two people, Howard Krieger and Ryan. And like, you gotta have more people than just two people on your team, you know? Just really basic website. Yo, Chico, MCAT 20 Muse Nifty Devs recently launched. Meow. Nice. If it's an NFT project, you know, with cards and stuff, you're not gonna get me interested. I don't really like necessarily care about, you know, Mooncats and stuff. I know about Mooncats. This is old. Yeah, this seems cool. I know about Mooncats. Those came out in like 2017. Come up, sing. Hey Chico, what are your thoughts on DGCL token? Potential partnership with Pokemon. Bullshit. Bull. But yeah. Looks like basic as can be. And I would guess that their Pokemon partnership is a bunch of bullcrap. But yeah. No team or anything. Thoughts on Block Duelers BDT? It's a decentralized dueling platform with NFTs and betting involved. Supply of 25,000 and 25,000 burn forever. So where does the value go? Dude, come on. Takes a loop. I appreciate your tip, but 25,000 and 25,000 gone forever. What? Block. You said Block Duelers? It's a decent website, actually. And I'm actually bullish on games and actually, you know, taking the NFTs and integrating them into the dueling game. So, interesting. Thoughts on Antimatter? Matter, it's a DeFi options trading platform. No. Is it live is the question? App coming soon. Nah. I don't like coming soon. And I don't like that. So, Hey Chico, how about Rare? I don't know if you had time to take a look. Hello, mate. Hey, what's going on? Unique Rare. That I got sent some tokens from someone. They say they're going on Zora. They're NFTs, so I don't know. I haven't looked in. I haven't had time. Appreciate the tip, Franco. Adam O'Brien, I know you're getting this one chilled to you a lot. It's listed on CoinGecko now. Still curious, your thoughts on ADA swap? I didn't get time to look into it. But if it's just a swapper, I'm not gonna... This is bull. There's a bunch of baloney. Oh, okay. I thought they didn't have an app. I was like, what? It's just staking. Oh, God, I hate staking. Just look at my face by that. It's just staking. They have. So they say they're this ecosystem of DeFi and NFT applications with a DEX supporting ERC20, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot. But yet, you just go to their app, and all you can do is stake. And go to a liquidity pool. Hi, Chico. CTRL click opens a new tab, so you don't gotta right click. Here. I know you don't like RSR, but something's big coming soon. No. Are you still bullish on BAO? Yes, I still hold it, you guys. Where do you see DOT's market cap in 3 years? Also, Nodal, an IoT blockchain migrating from Stellar to Polkadot on page 16 of Polkadot's light paper. I see DOT doing well. I see it probably, moving closer to the number 3 spot rather than, Cardano, because they do have an ecosystem being built on them already. But yeah, I don't know price-wise what that is. Sorry, I'm not going to take, people try to tip me for multiple coins, you guys. I can't. I'll fall behind. Crypto Sniper 101. Hey Chico, check out Crest Network, decentralized storage protocol for Polkadot. Also one of the first connected to the Roku testnet. No. Or were they? No, I think Crest was actually. Substrate builder program. I might have to look at this one. I haven't looked deep into this one out of the Poke ecosystem. They're on the Roku. Hey, Chico, am I still bullish on Hopper? I mean, I wasn't, bullish on Hopper, you guys. I didn't go, I'm so bullish on the Hopper token. I covered it because there was a testnet you could earn tokens from. Yeah, no, Hopper looks like a great, thing to earn some free tokens, by running it on your Avado, but I'm not, super bullish. You guys need to start listening to me and not just seeing me talk about a token, and that means I'm bullish on it. Start DYOR, and opening your ears instead of, I know you guys are just used to, YouTubers chilling you the coin and then giving you no information, but I give information. Listen to it. Wergen, Hobart, thank you so much for the tip, man. Don Pro, Mega, Ty, what's good? UOS versus engine difference. What's bringing all these layer ETH to work together seamlessly? Connext is a big state channel. I don't know the big difference between UOS and engine. I've covered them both. I did a sponsored segment for UOS a while ago, and engine I talked about it about a year and a half ago. I don't know. I haven't looked into it since then, so I still hold my smidgen of engine too, but I'm still more bullish on other NFT projects actually. ZK, what do you think of digital identities? Big use case in crypto? Of course. That is why I am, I mean, digital identities are going to be big not only for people, but machines too. And, Energy Web is doing big things with DIDs. Have I checked out Nifty.io, NIF? Not gonna go to your link, but if it's Unif, I don't think. Nope, it's not. Or if it's unnifty. That's. How do you swap? On XDI, that's nice. I might have to take a little look. Appreciate the tip, man. I hope I didn't skip. Vladis Ogna Ondrosov. Hey Chico, check up Hoj. It just sounds like a copy of Doge, you guys. I'm not gonna come on. Hoj Finance. Thoughts on Unitrade? They just got Pancake Swap Syrup Pool today on BSC. What are you doing, dude? I hate finance. Why are you tipping me and thinking I'm going to be like, yeah, that's awesome. Great news. I hate Binance. Learn who you are tipping. Chico, have you tested ZK Money? Maybe a token airdrop very soon. No, I haven't. I haven't had time to literally even branch out of my own work here recently, which consists of daily content, doing research, creating the content, shooting it, and then my website. I literally haven't been able to do anything else but that lately. Appreciate the tip, A. Ramos. Maybe here soon, but not recently. Unless it's part of my daily content, I'm not doing it. Hey, brother, say, I love your content so much. Keep going. I really appreciate what you're doing. I would love to know about your price targets for BAO. I don't have price targets, you guys. Do you ever see me up here on here like other YouTubers doing TA and targeting? Have you seen me do that once? You say you love my content. I appreciate your tip, man. I'm not trying to be mean. Have you seen me do that? No. I do it for Bitcoin maybe once every 6 months. Just like a random prediction video. 100K. I am not a TA'er. I don't have price predictions. I'm a fundamentalist, and I hold coins based on fundamentals. It's going to do well. If the markets do well. Please check out Tower Coin and Hoj. I'll look at Tower. I'm just looked at Hoj. Crazy defense. Heroes. This looks like a mobile game that's trying to integrate NFTs. That's a good thing, not a bad thing. Zach C. OpenSea founder said they're integrating Arweave to permanently host their NFT metadata in a decentralized manner. Arweave is a pretty cool protocol. That's cool. Arweave's been up there, though. It's good to hear, though. Coinbase and Andreessen, no wonder. Chainlink did a blog post about Tesla integration. I think I remember that. Is it old or is that recent? Appreciate the tip, Julio. Oh, Labro retracted their message. What'd you do? Hey, Chico, can I check out BPro? Code as a service gaming operator with prediction markets, DeFi gaming, and NFTs. So it sounds like they're just trying to do too much, but yeah, I remember this one, and again, was not too happy. Neil Global Capital in there. Yeah, I mean, I'm just not, a big fan. I think they'll get dominated by others in the space. Hey, Salarina, shout out to Dylan Noons. Appreciate you, Chico. Hey, Dylan. What's up, Sal? No problem, my man. Labro, can you check out ANRX? The CEO is talking a big game. Okay. Most CEOs do talk a big game. Liquid NFTs. Well, you'd have to look into it. Looks like it's trying to do something with NFTs. Decent website. Victor Pekrachov, Chico, who is on the Blockchain Leaks team? You will find that out soon, my friend. Zaid K, thoughts on crypto.com mainnet on the 25th. Gonna be fully decentralized. No thoughts. I'm not a big fan of them. Never. That's why you've never seen me talk about them. They're Binance connected. They were Binance connected, but I think Binance screwed them. Adam O'Brien, how about G Farm 2 talking about leverage DEX yield farming NFT exchange? What the heck? Another DeFi plus NFT infrastructure play. G Farm 2. Just doesn't make sense what it is. NFTs exchange. It's just a open sea. Yeah, I don't know about that, man. It's not infrastructure. It just looks like a P2P marketplace on layer 2. Morphin42, hey Chico, any thoughts on Veracity? They got a patent for their proof of view. Thank you so much. I actually did a sponsored segment on them. Again, that's sponsored, and I try to take the best sponsors possible. But I am bullish, on, the cryptos I'm bullish on, the ones I talk about consistently. What do you think about Unibright and ServiceNow? I hold a good amount of Unibright and bullish on them for the baseline protocol and what's coming. A lot of stuff is going to be coming with that. More enterprise focused stuff. What's your daily schedule like, Chico? Work. Wake up at 6 in the morning, start researching, write the script, research, script write, community take care of. Around noon, 1 o'clock, shoot the video, get done. 2, start setting up for the video to post for the day, get all that done, blah, blah, blah. Just work. Channel. Chain is great, Chico. Eddie Camus. Appreciate the tip. Chain game. Interesting. A tournament based. I'd have to look deeper into it. Caitlin D, thanks for the Roan 25. Appreciate it. TA, technical analysis? No, this is Tyler analysis. Exactly. My Tyler analysis is, it's literally don't listen to me. Because I'm not a technical person. You should know that. Tyler LaGrange, have I checked out Elastic DAO, EGT? It's a DAO where early members aren't unfairly rewarded against new members. No, I haven't. Sounds like a good concept, though. Check out the website, see how good. Not a bad website. Interesting. Can you tell my cousin Facel that Cardano sucks? Yes, it sucks a bungholio. I mean, they can't even get their... The most important thing, in my opinion, if you're all about getting these developers, competing with Ethereum, bringing all their developers over, you better get your Hello World tutorial working. I know you're more interested in infrastructure plays, but if you had to pick a gaming NFT... NFT play to get behind, what fundamentals would you analyze? Does it have to be built on ETH? Any look interesting? Within the gaming space, I mean, partners, you know, with gaming, gaming, of course, has the big names within gaming already, so whoever's, you know, actually getting the partnership, not just on a surface partnership, but is actually working to integrate, you know, their NFTs, their protocol with these guys. Not just, hey, we have a partnership. You know, it actually happening. Because a lot of these partnerships are just that. They're a photo op. And I mean, really, I haven't seen one that I'm like gaming focused on that I'm like, whoa, that I need to look at. Check out MP4, low cap NFT, and looks more interesting the more you look into it. Can do a 5x to 6x in the short term. Most likely not, but yeah, low volume. Basic. It has nothing. Sign up for the beta. That's all I gotta say. Check out DRC, digital reserve currency, like an actually decentralized RSR. Dracula token? Russian. Not much locked up in them. They Russian. Ashia Brissett, you made a cash out vid ages ago and wondered what you're thinking now. A plan I have, Barn Bridge, they built trench projects like NFT bonds for fixed APY, funded by Kane of SNX and Stani of Ave. I mean, I'm still analyzing what I'm going to do. I mean, I've even been thinking about cashing out, you know, a good, not like a significant portion. I mean, yeah, it's significant, 25 to 40%, here soon, because the next 90 days are going to be really interesting. I mean, not in the short term, you know, week or so, but I've been eyeing. So, I mean, I'm not going to leave you guys in the dark about that, but I don't have the plan clear to even myself yet. Michael Enright, FNX, small cap with potential or bust. Phoenix Dow. I'm saying, I mean, likelihood bust. Because yeah, it looks like a bust to me, bruh. Like a big bust. Thoughts on dip? You guys, watch my content. Yes, I love dip. I was one of the ones to, you know, cover it and bring forward a lot of that flight delay insurance, you know, chain link partnership. I appreciate dip, man, but start watching my content. Sai, I'm sorry to ask you about price targets. I forgot who I'm talking to. Instead, how much bullish are you on BAO? I'm bullish. I hold it. And I've talked about it pretty consistently. Whenever stuff comes out, I usually tweet about it. Yeah, I'm bullish. You'll have NFTs on Ojin. Can we pay with Ojin? That's a possibility. I do have something coming with OGN here soon. Crypto lover. Oh man, I'm not going to be able to get here. Bullish on more still. You guys, stop tipping me and asking me if I'm bullish on projects still. You guys, if I don't talk about it for a week or two, does not mean I'm not bullish on it anymore. Come on, guys. I will let you know if I am, you know, not bullish on a project anymore. I'm very vocal about that. Hey, Chico, what are your thoughts on Hex? I don't like it. Hey, T, what's up? Send a shout out to Diana and Gloria, my 7 and 4-year-old girls. They are rich on your picks already. When I say it's time, they call for Chico Crypto. Heck yeah, Benoit. What's up, Diana and Gloria? I appreciate you guys watching the channel and becoming crypto rich off of Chico. So it's time for Chico Crypto. I don't know why I have that Phoenix Dow still up there. General Collins, Centrifuge had their community call yesterday, and coming soon there will be a list of bounties on their Discord. American investors can participate. Heck yeah. So Centrifuge rad, interested people, definitely follow the Discord. Mooney Moon, look into Wolves of Wall Street. Wow, DApp platform releasing on Monday. They're creating the world's first FTX cryptofolios generating yield through your NFTs, powered by Engine and Yearn. Oh god. It just sounds like a project that's trying to run on the hype of NFTs. Engine is not have barely any of their NFT infrastructure out even. But I will look. I'll have to maybe look at it. Yo, Chico, check out Stater, NFT lending platform, live beta with a public team, just launched. Oh my god, you guys, I don't care. Like I said, so many NFT projects are going to try to come out and run on the hype, you guys. Yeah, some of these might pump, but again, I'm a fundamentalist. These are not fundamental projects. They literally came out to pump and dump. You're not gonna, I like one after another. It's like, how long have these projects been working on this? No amount of time. And that's concerning. Concerning. Hi, Chico. What do I think about Kilt Protocol? It's getting a lot of hype. Definitely looking into that one for identity, if I'm correct. Yeah, Kilt, I'm pretty sure that's identity on Polkadot. Yeah, I'm looking into it, man. Appreciate the tip. What do I think about PlotX? Same founder as Nexus Mutual. I don't even know who the founder is of Nexus Mutual is, so... Going to Polygon. And they show box mining you. Gross. Hey, Chico, been dying to get some EDG. Will the Tokyo upgrade allow me to swap for it in my MetaMask? That's a question for their Discord. I don't know, man. I haven't, I hold my Edge, but I haven't, you know, done a good research update on Edge since my last one, which was probably like a month ago. So, I mean, my knowledge is a month behind right now. Thank you for the tip, Kelly. Carmo Calda, you're an absolute legend. Tyler, thanks for keeping up the good work, mate. Have you had a chance to look into labs yet? You guys, of course not. I haven't got even to a chance to look into barely anything new. I mean, Vesper, I just found before I did the live stream. I like that they're a partner of Centrifuge. I'd have to look into that. Your thoughts on Dent? No thoughts, personally. Been around for a while, but yeah, it's a wireless one. Mobile Dent wireless. I'm gonna have to look into it, because it's been around for a while. Goat like the cheese. Can you let me know your thoughts on Rehab? Only 5,000 tokens. Only under 1 million market cap. Half of the tokens are staked on Unifty. Staking earns points that you can buy with NFTs with. They're having an NFT festival tomorrow. I don't know, man. I haven't looked into it, so I can't answer any of those questions. Small low caps with 1 million market cap and $80,000 worth of volume, you're taking a fat risk on. I can't, necessarily say. I might look into it because it sounds like kind of an interesting concept. Still on that NFY, or you're all in on Alchemist now? I hold them both. I spread out my risk when I see projects doing what I like, integrating DeFi into the NFTs and, actually building the smart contracts to do it. NFY is doing it in their way. Jeff Heck story built. They were one of the first ones to do it. They even did it before Alchemist, and Alchemist is building theirs off of Geyser V2. So I hold both. Have you looked at Ride Gold Finance? CEO of Gemini and Branham Systems working on it. Looks promising. Weekly deflationary burns as percent of trades. I haven't, you guys. I probably won't. It's super low cap. It probably has like no volume. Yeah, if those teams were so public, they would put them on here. I'd be careful. Chico, check out ZechPages.com. No, I do not go to outside links, Oren. Thank you for the tip, but I do not. Felix Chevin, thanks for the $16.99. Appreciate it. Adam O'Brien, I know you had a video dedicated to Uniswap V3. Do you think there will be any benefit for holding the OG 400? Yeah, holding the 400, it goes up in value. The people who sold at, $4 are kicking themselves right now. But yeah, I can't necessarily say with the Uniswap team. I don't know. There could be. That's why I said that in the video. But I'm not any more clear than you. It's just speculation by me. I think that'd be a great idea. Hey, brother, I would love to know your thoughts on SpiderDAO. The official Polkadot Twitter tweeted about it before its sale. SpiderDAO has also joined Polkapets to create unique NFTs. I haven't looked into SpiderDAO, so I can't comment on it. Islands in there, so maybe one to look into for the Polka ecosystem. Came out really recent though. Another video about OctoFi soon? Possibly. I don't plan my content, you guys, so I can't say what I'm talking about even on Monday. I haven't even finished that content. Also, Rehab was founded by Simon from Groovy.finance. Who's that? I don't even know who that is. Goat like the cheese. Thanks, Tyler. Your info on Luxo at around 78 cents got my wife a new car last week. Heck yeah, Vince K. That's awesome, brother. I'm glad you're able to make out well. Shared margin swap with you and DM on TG. It's easy, neat, and clean margin trading platform on top of Uni. Demo. I can't margin trade, so I don't care, Waggis. And I don't margin trade. Chainlink, moon soon, win Lambo. Hopefully soon. Would appreciate a look at XDN. Digital no. XDN BTC chart on Bitrex seems to be near breakout. I'm not a TA guy, so I don't know what you're talking about. Oh my God, learn who you guys are talking to. I am Chico Crypto. I do not like Binance. Why do you tip me to talk about Binance Coin? I'm just going to yell at you and tell you I hate Binance. Jesus, Mark. Any thoughts on Dev Protocol, tokenizing open source projects? I looked at that one last time, and if I get some research, it might be one I'm looking into, but I haven't had time. Again, website and my daily content is crushing me. But yeah, this one did look kind of interesting to me. Hey, Chico, any updates on the Xerion airdrop? No, you guys. Again, just like, anything about the team, Uniswap, asking me about, do I know about holding that 400 tokens? Is that good? I am not the Xerion team. I am Chico Crypto. I made some videos that was based on information research. Now, it's up to the team to give that information, not Chico Crypto. So I just don't know what you guys want from me. Like, I don't hold back insider information. If I put out that information, it's all the information I have. Good questions for the team. Good questions for Xerion's Discord, the Twitter, on their Twitter. Adam O'Brien, thoughts on Reflexer decision and forcing users to have LP in the leverage vault at the same time in order to earn? Still worth it. Yeah, it's their decision. Yeah, it's worth it. I'm doing it. Cocktailbar.finance. GG, check out this altcoin. Super low cap. You'll be amazed. I'm not going to links, Salim, if it's not on CoinGecko. Cocktailbar.finance. Jeez, these names are just getting more ridiculous by the second. I'm gonna try to connect to me automatically. Yeah, it's an okay website, but trying to go for that old low trading volume though. Bogtools.io launches Pancake Swap. Who is that built on? Thank you for the tip, but I'm just gonna yell at you. Hey Chico, had you heard of FVT has huge potential? No, I haven't. Finance Vote. Sounds kind of interesting, the name. I had to look into more what it does exactly. Roadmap. Let's see what the roadmap says. Yo, Chico, thanks for the content. Best on the tube. Thanks, Joseph. I appreciate the tip. Kennedy, too. I figure out a can't lose strategy in crypto. And oh, that's nice. Cermak, Ikomi Omi, are you allowed to talk about Omi? I just don't like the shill that's going on with it. I've been shilled, across everywhere. My Telegram group, within YouTube, within everywhere. And now it's being shilled constantly. They say they have these big partners. They don't, in my opinion. And like they're acting like the Uniswap listing is like the big thing, which I'm like, dude, this isn't big. Anyone can list on Uniswap. No one puts like their Uniswap countdown. Weird. It's just weird. Can I take a little look at Rocket Bunny? I got a very small position very early. Gas costed me more than my coins. Again, if it's a super low cap, I mean, it's extremely risky. Not Bunny token. Since I like Alchemist and NFY, you should look at Penguin Party. They have Crucible minting and seem to have an ARB feature built into their swap. I like, well, I mean, I mean, you got Crucible minting is from Geyser at Universal Vaults. Did they fork them, you know, or what? Did you see Walter Koch reacted when asked about Tesla and Elon in his recent interview? Couldn't have made it more obvious. No, I haven't seen the recent interview. But probably, I wouldn't doubt it. Deflationary token with Rocket Bunny. I mean, super low cap, high risk, no team. Yep. All right. Chico, check out Rose token, Oasis Labs. Thanks very much. I looked at it last time. This wasn't a... Someone didn't pay me for this either. I got to the bottom, you guys. And, I mean, there were certain things about it that, you know, I was like, okay, maybe I should look at it. But, again, I haven't had time. There's Pantera and A16. Any more stake videos coming up? Again, guys, I don't plan my content, so I don't know. Taking notes. Man, I'm sorry. I just got back. Baby crying. But Track, seeing your tweet a little deeper on that if you can. Yeah, Track is... Staking is going live on XDAI. Not much deeper I can go into that. Staking with Track is going on Layer 2 XDAI. How much deeper do you want me to go? I have been eyeing Singularity as another AI project, but I just think AI is kind of far out there. Chico, newer watcher, thank you for your insight. Hey man, have some fun today. Take a small break. Do live streams give you an easier day? They used to, but now that these questions are coming like on fire, I mean, it's hard. Like, I'm doing like an open forum for like an hour after, I mean, I do my content and then I do like an open forum for an hour. It's like 2 hours of content and talking, and my voice starts to go by the end of it. So it takes a lot of my mental strain. Physically, it's not, you know, exhausting, but mentally it's exhausting. Dr. Crow, Chico for president. Thanks, brother. Grumpy donated 70K to an animal shelter. Who's Grumpy? A lot of grumpy shillers. I'm a little grumpy right now. A lot of dash shillers. RFox Labs. I've never heard of it, so I mean, I'm sure the grumpy boys are gonna get grumpy if I don't grumpy them. It's a grumpy cat. I like grumpy cats because Wayne's grumpy. But, RFox. I mean, it looks basic. This is... Shoot, are these, Australian ones? Justin Ruse, I appreciate your work. Why don't I like Cosmos? Because, China? I mean, they're CCP. Hey, Chico, do you have any thoughts on Daya? Thanks. No thoughts on Daya. It's an oracle. Crap. I don't know, it's not crap, but I like Chainlink, you guys. You're not gonna get me to like, oh, damn, this project's gonna beat Chainlink. No, it's not. Hey, Chico, check out DexG. Revolutionary speculative AMM with no oracles. Reduce slippage and eliminates impermanent loss. I think I've heard of it. Nothing there, though. That's baloney, what you're saying, because they don't have that. Hey, Baba, you're the best. Just want to say, bow chicka wow wow. Well, right back at you, Baba. What coins will survive the bear market apart from BTC? The ones that are integrating with, you know, a lot of projects. Chainlink, the Graph, you know, infrastructure plays, NFT infrastructure plays. My thoughts on UBX. It's listed on KuCoin. I don't know. That doesn't matter. What in the heck is this? Oh my freaking Lord. This is ridiculous. Look at that. He cut that out of Microsoft Paint. Still has a white around it. Oh my word. Can I look into Grumpy? It looked like a cat coin. I took a look at it, man. What do I think about Waifu? No thoughts. It's way down there. Oh, this is a currency for a girlfriend. I mean, I don't need a digital girlfriend. I mean, it could see value. I don't know. I don't see it. I think weirdos get digital girlfriends, but there may be a lot of weirdos. I think Maxim might want one. Hey Chico, could you take a look at Growth DeFi and their GRO token? Would love to hear your thoughts. Not on here, my friend. Oh, I put it in pro. Again, low market cap, low volumes, probably not good. I'm telling you that just from initial looks. Consensus did theirs. Or are they just saying that? Okay, no, that's good. That's actually good. What's up, Tyler? Got any content planned for Monday? Yeah, I do. I haven't finished it yet, so I can't really, you know, give a hint. I've kind of started it, and I have an idea, but I don't know if I'm going to go with that. Hey, could I check out DEA? Derivatives platform already being traded on XDAI. Oh, Deuce? They changed their name? I know Deuce. I covered it here recently. Hey, did you get your Agave airdrop? Ave on XDAI from OneHive and HoneySwap. Did I claim it? I don't think I was even had time to claim it, but I have been looking at it, eyeing. Hey Chico, you're awesome. Been watching for a while. Well, thanks for watching, Juader Diaz, and also thanks for the tip, Boulder Club, Kreuzberg. Could float protocol rival Rye Reflexer? Probably not, but Yeah, this is way different. This looks like they're just depositing and giving you their tokens back. Well, not anything like, Rye, I don't think. Chico, check out a coin called Dogecoin. It's supposed to be next level, cutting edge tech, real high tech stuff going on. One Doge will always equal one Doge. Alright, you guys. Well, that looks like it is the end of the stream for me today. I am done answering all these freaking questions. Way too many. Way too many once again. Yeah, it doesn't look like my stream was shadow banned this time, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Probably only going to be streaming for a little bit after on Theta. I've been on here for already a couple hours now. I want to get my life going. My weekend started. Do I have any thoughts about Fetch AI? No, it's a Binance IEO, and I do not like any Binance IEO because Binance holds a large chunk of those tokens, and they will do what they please with them. Do I think we're still in a bull run? Yes, we are. And that is what I'm going to end it off with. So I will be streaming maybe for like 10 more minutes on Theta, but not too much longer. I definitely want to get my weekend going, go get some shopping done. My only day to really get stuff done. So appreciate you guys, and I will see you on Monday. It's going to be an excellent video. I just don't know what it's going to be on. Peace.